Hello, space enthusiasts. Welcome to another captivating exploration into the wonders of the cosmos. Today, we're setting our sights beyond the familiar blue and green of our earthly home, embarking on a journey to the extraordinary world of Hycean planets. Picture yourself stepping onto one of these colossal celestial bodies. You'd find yourself on a planet up to 10 times the mass of Earth, surrounded by vast oceans dwarfing our earthly seas. These aren't the tranquil blue waters you're used to, though. No, these are cosmic oceans, nestled beneath ultra-thick hydrogen atmospheres. These atmospheres create conditions that are truly mind-boggling. Imagine standing on a shoreline where the air temperature can soar to a scorching 200 degrees Celsius. The heat would be intense, the pressure immense, yet these conditions are typical on a Hycean planet. Yet, despite the extreme conditions, these planets hold a certain allure. They beckon us with their mysteries, their potential, their alien beauty. And while the surface may seem inhospitable, even deadly, we must remember that life as we know it has a way of thriving in the most unexpected places. Who knows what might be found beneath those turbulent hydrogen skies and scorching ocean surfaces? As we venture into the depths of these alien oceans, we find a realm that may not be so different from our own. Here, the extreme atmospheric pressures keep the water from boiling away, creating a sanctuary where life could potentially thrive. It's a tantalizing prospect, one that has scientists and space enthusiasts alike buzzing with excitement. So join us as we dive into the depths of these cosmic oceans, journeying beyond our earthly waters to explore the fascinating world of Hycean planets. These water worlds, with their ultra-thick hydrogen atmospheres, create mind-boggling conditions where temperatures can soar to a scorching 200 degrees Celsius. On the surface, these planets may seem inhospitable, with conditions that would make any Earthling feel like a cosmic sous chef. The heat is unimaginable, and the atmospheric pressures are enough to make even the most robust of our terrestrial species crumble. But before we dismiss these Hycean planets as desolate hellscapes, let's take a plunge beneath the surface. Here, the hyperheated, high-pressure surface gives way to a world of profound depths and cooler temperatures. But how is this possible? The answer lies in the extreme atmospheric pressures of these water worlds. These pressures, far beyond anything we experience on Earth, keep the oceans from boiling away despite the searing surface temperatures. In these high-pressure environments, water behaves in ways foreign to us. It becomes a supercritical fluid, blurring the line between liquid and gas and creating a unique environment that could harbor life. Now, this wouldn't be life as we know it, but life that has adapted to thrive in these extreme conditions. In the cooler depths of these oceans, temperatures can drop to levels comparable to those in Earth's deep seas. On Earth, these depths are home to an array of unusual creatures, from the ghostly bioluminescent anglerfish to the colossal giant squid. It's not outrageous to speculate that similar or even more extraordinary life forms could exist in the depths of Hycean planets. In these vast alien oceans, life would face challenges unheard of on Earth. But life, as we've seen, is tenacious. It finds a way even in the most inhospitable environments. From the deep sea vents on Earth, teeming with life in boiling, mineral-rich waters, to the possibility of microbial life in the subglacial lakes of Mars, life has shown a knack for resilience and adaptability. This is the potential of Hycean planets. They offer a new perspective on where life might exist, pushing the boundaries of our understanding and challenging us to rethink our definitions of habitability. Beneath the surface lies a hidden realm where life as we know it might find a foothold. What's truly fascinating is the vast habitable zone these Hycean planets offer. Unlike anything we've seen on Earth, these celestial bodies represent a new frontier in our understanding of habitability in the universe. With their thick atmospheres and vast oceans, they offer conditions that could potentially support life. Now, let's talk about tidal locking. Some Hycean planets may be in a state where one side is perpetually facing its star, bathing in constant daylight, while the other side is eternally shrouded in darkness. This creates a stark contrast in temperatures between the two hemispheres. But don't be too hasty to write off life's chances. On these tidally locked planets, life could find a refuge in the more temperate twilight zone, where the inferno of the day meets the icy darkness of the night. And then there are those Hycean worlds that receive limited sunlight, perhaps due to their distance from their star or their star's dim luminosity. These planets rely on their own internal heat and the insulating effect of their dense atmospheres to maintain the liquid state of their colossal oceans. These conditions might be alien to us, but who's to say that life couldn't evolve to thrive under such circumstances? But let's take a moment to consider what life on these planets could be like. We're not necessarily talking about little green men or towering extraterrestrials. Life, as we understand it, requires a certain set of conditions to thrive, but in these alien environments, life could take forms we can barely imagine. Microscopic organisms that can withstand high pressure and temperature, or perhaps even colossal beings adapted to the vastness of the Hycean oceans. There's a lot we don't know about these intriguing worlds, and our current understanding of life is based on a sample size of one, Earth. But the existence of such diverse environments in our universe suggests that we might need to broaden our perspectives. Imagine the possibilities for alien life evolving in these exotic conditions. Researchers believe that these cosmic water worlds might be more common than our familiar gas giants and terrestrial planets. Just imagine this. The cosmos could be teeming with Hycean planets, each one an oceanic jewel waiting to be discovered. The sheer abundance of these water worlds is enough to stir the imagination and ignite the curiosity of every space enthusiast. These Hycean planets are not just abundant, they're also diverse, each one unique in its own right. Some may be similar to Earth, with continents and oceans, while others might be entirely covered in water. The variety among these planets could be as vast as the cosmos itself. Now let's talk about K218b, a planet which has recently caught the attention of scientists. This distant celestial body, located around 110 light-years away, is a prime example of a potential Hycean planet. It's a super-Earth approximately 8 times the mass of our home planet, and it's enveloped in a thick, hydrogen-rich atmosphere. But what makes K218b truly exciting is the recent detection of water vapor in its atmosphere. This discovery has sparked a frenzy of excitement among scientists, as it's the first time we've found water vapor on an exoplanet in the habitable zone of its star. But we're not stopping there. With the upcoming launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, we're about to get a much closer look at these intriguing Hycean planets. This telescope, the most powerful space telescope ever built, will allow us to probe these distant worlds in unprecedented detail. We'll be able to study their atmospheres, detect the presence of water, and perhaps even discover signs of life. K218b, with its water vapor and potential for habitability, is set to be a star attraction for this groundbreaking mission. In fact, the recent detection of water vapor on K218b, a potential Hycean planet, has sparked excitement, and it's set to be a star attraction for the James Webb Space Telescope. Now think about it. Alien life on Hycean planets. The possibilities are mind-bending. We're not talking about little green men or long-necked extraterrestrials here. We're talking about life that has evolved under conditions that would make even the toughest earthly organisms throw in the towel. Imagine creatures that thrive in sweltering heat and high pressure. Organisms that swim in oceans deeper and vaster than anything we have on Earth. Think about how different their physiology might be, their ways of communicating, of feeding, of reproducing. Would they be microscopic or colossal beings that roam the depths? The potential for diversity is staggering, and it's all thanks to the unique conditions that Hycean planets provide. But let's not forget about our own little blue dot. Earth may not have the scorching temperatures or crushing pressures of a Hycean planet, but it does have something that no other place in the universe has: us. We, the stewards of this planet, the explorers of the cosmos, the dreamers of dreams, are a testament to Earth's own brand of uniqueness. We've adapted to every corner of this world, from the highest peaks to the deepest oceans. We've harnessed the power of the wind, the sun, and the atom. We've built civilizations, created art, music, and literature. We've loved, laughed, and cried. We've looked up at the stars and wondered, what if? As we continue to explore Hycean planets and other cosmic wonders, let's never forget the uniqueness of our own home. The Earth, with all its beauty and diversity, is a testament to the resilience of life. It's a reminder that in this vast, seemingly infinite universe, there's no place like home. As we ponder these alien wonders, it's a reminder of the uniqueness of Earth. Our ability to plunge into the ocean depths and reach for the stars is a privilege. So let's cherish it, protect it, and never stop exploring, because who knows? Maybe one day we'll find that we're not alone in this universe after all.